Return value in functions. Return value in functions. Functions are not only be used for displaying data and information, but they also can be used to return values in the function definition. Actually, you can use functions for anything you need to perform. They make your life a lot easier in writing code. Let's see how. Open brackets to see how can we return a value in the function. I will define a function called addition, parentheses, parameter A and parameter B, colon. Create a variable total equal variable A plus variable B. Those variables were declared in the parameters already. Now type return total. Return here means when we call a function, after the function perform, it will return the result to the main program. Okay, in the main program, print addition parentheses 10, 5 to pass them to addition definition. Then try that on terminal. Wonderful! It returned the result of the addition, 15. Thank you for watching.